So where to make your images? Now, I'm going to state the obvious here. Most people use Canva to do this because you could, make pretty much any image you want by selecting specific templates. So whether it's for, Pinterest or Facebook posts or whatever, it could be for your blog images, you can make images using Canva. Now, I'm not going to start making a tutorial on this. There's plenty of free video about this. The reason actually I'm making this video is because I want to show you something that's on ChatGPT where you could also make images. So it's called Cosmic Dreams. So all you need to do is click on that tab and give it a prompt to make you an image of whatever you want. So let's just make an image that represents the blog article about magnesium for muscle spasms. So I'm going to start with a simple prompt. Make an image that shows tablets and pills that represents my keyword, magnesium for muscle spasms. Now, very often when I'm using GPT, the first image it gives me has plenty of weird colors. Sometimes it does this, sometimes it doesn't. So let's see what it gives as a first result. There you go. So when this happens, you need to tell it, do not make it psychedelic, make it look real and natural. See, looks better, right? So basically this image you could use to make pins on Pinterest. For example, now obviously this is not the right size to make a pin. So the size for Pinterest post is 1000 by 1500. That's the most recommended one. Now, see here, I don't like it, so I'm just gonna tell it I don't like it. I preferred the previous one, just in the right size. So it's going to give me another example. So you could do this until you get the image you want, basically, right? So if you remember during the training, I told you you need to talk to GPT like it's your secretary. So you just keep on giving it instructions until you're satisfied, basically, right? Now, making an image like that, the advantage is that nobody uses it because these images are all made custom. So that's a big advantage from using royalty stock image things, right? So it's better sometimes to just make it with GPT if you can, right? So this image is actually quite nice. So I could go and make pins with that. So once this is done, I just need to download it and it's gonna go on my desktop. You could make your images for any social media, any type of banners, any type of blog article images. So the Cosmic Dream tool here is very useful to create images. Please move on to the next part of the training.